Courtroom drama in Colville as young children talk rape and murder plots. Well, a child on trial for a very adult crime. Prosecutors began their case today against an 11-year-old Colville boy who say planned to kill a classmate at school. He's accused of planning to stab the victim while another boy would fend people off with a handgun. On February 7th, they allegedly brought a knife and a handgun to Fort Colville Elementary School, but their plan was thwarted by a classmate. KXLY4's Ian Cull was in the courtroom today. He joins us now in our studio. And Ian, what is each side trying to prove here?
Well, Nadine, the prosecution is trying to show that this 11-year-old planned to attack his classmate and kill her at school. The defense trying to discredit those statements and find holes in testimony. Now, this is a bench trial. There's no jury, just the judge, lawyers, the young defendant, and 11-year-old boys talking about major crimes.
An eerie day in Stevens County Court. Young kids coming in and out talking of plots of murder, even rape. Seeing the knife and gun as evidence in court made the case real.
Well, I was sitting in the seat and he was right across me and he was messing with the knife.
We can't show you any of the kids' faces because they're juveniles, but we heard first from the boy who turned in the defendant, who has since been declared a hero in Colville.
I didn't tell any students, but I did tell a teacher.
Another witness, a friend, says the defendant was targeting a girl who made fun of him. He also explained when he first heard of the plan and was offered cash to keep quiet.
First telling you that he wanted to hurt some classmates.
Probably 2 weeks before February 7th.
Defense attorneys trying to find inconsistencies in the state's case in how teachers and law enforcement found and documented the knife and gun.
Did you find any gun in his desk?
No.
Did you find a knife in his desk?
No.
But then a school counselor testified the boy had anger challenges and extreme outbursts. She claims when he was caught on February 7th, he confessed.
He said that he was going to use the knife to kill and that was supposed to use the gun to hold off anybody or stop them from interfering with his plan.
That other boy was sentenced to 3 years in juvenile detention after he pleaded guilty. Now, as for this case, it's expected to wrap up tomorrow. Defense attorneys still don't know whether or not they're going to put that 11-year-old on the stand.
You were in court today to see this 11-year-old defendant. It almost had to be surreal, I would think. Such a young age. How is he reacting? How is he handling all of this?
Well, it's much different than most trials that we cover. He acted much differently. Most adults are coached by their attorneys not to react. So when his peers and the teachers pointed him out in the trial, he would shake his head in disgust. It was just totally different. At one point, he was playing with a rubber band and even eating string cheese and grapes as a snack during court recesses. A completely different trial.
Yeah, very strange. All right, thanks a lot.